Hello everyone! So if you want to switch from button navigation to gesture navigation on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, so first of all open up your settings. Now scroll down to your display tab right here. In your display tab you are to find your navigation bar. Tap on it, and here you are to choose between buttons and gesture navigations. So press swipe gestures. It's already enabled, the buttons have disappeared. Now press more options. Here you can block gestures with S Pen if you want to enable it, or you can adjust your gesture sensitivity, so from lower to higher. Now how do we use the gesture? So to return to the home screen, we are to swipe quickly from the bottom to the center. Tablet, right? To open recent apps, you are to swipe up from the bottom and hold your finger or your S Pen at the center, just like this. Now close the application by swiping up. So works easy is that, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.